Hi, my name is Jörg and I'm from X42 Monitoring, and I want to show you today how to install our product X42 Tank. Let me show you what we installed today in the tank. So on one hand we have our sensor unit with the sensor what goes into the tank, and we have our home base unit what stays of course in your house. Our system is powered by 4 AA batteries. 2 in the home base what lasts you around 7 months, and 2 in your sensor unit what lasts you around 1 year. Now we're going to install the system on the tank by pulling the 90mm piece out and removing it from the pipe. Now we need to measure our fill height of the water tank. We have a straight outlet or an elbow outlet. With the straight outlet we measure from the bottom, with the elbow outlet we measure from the top. Now we're measuring the fill height. We know that this tank has the elbow outlet, so instead of going on the straight on the bottom, I need to measure on the top to get the right amount. The sensor is on the bottom of the tank, but the outlet sits higher. Therefore, we need to measure to the bottom of the outlet to compensate.